Imagine waking up one morning to find out that your job is gone. Not because of downsizing, not because of the economy, but because AI has replaced you. It's that nagging fear we all have, right? This thing is coming, it's going to take over, and there's nothing we can do about it. But what if I told you that's just a story? What if I told you there's a way to not just survive this AI revolution, but to thrive in a way you never imagined? We're going to take this fear, this uncertainty, and transform it into rocket fuel. We're going to shift from being afraid of what AI might take away to becoming obsessed with what we can create with it. This isn't about just surviving. This is about unleashing your potential in a world that's changing faster than ever. Are you ready to step into the driver's seat of your future? Let's do this. The first step to conquering any challenge is to confront it head on. And when it comes to AI, that means shifting from a place of fear to a place of fiery, passionate curiosity. Don't let the unknown paralyze you. Let it ignite you. Think about it. Fear thrives in the shadows, in the what-ifs, in the maybes. But curiosity is all about exploration, about shining a light on the unknown and saying, show me what you got. Start by exploring the AI tools that are already out there. Tools specifically designed to make your life easier and your work more impactful. The more you use these tools, the more you interact with this technology, the more you'll realize that AI isn't this scary monster lurking in the shadows. It's a tool, a powerful tool, waiting for you to pick it up and shape it to your will. Embrace curiosity, fuel it, and let it guide you towards a future bursting with opportunity. Now, I know what you're thinking. Shawn, there are so many AI tools out there. Where do I even begin? And you're right. The AI landscape is exploding with new possibilities every single day. But here's the key. You don't need to master every single tool, at least not right away. Instead, focus your energy on becoming a master of one. Choose one AI tool that deeply resonates with your work, a tool that has the potential to truly elevate your craft, and commit to understanding it inside and out. Become the person in your industry, in your network, who doesn't just dabble in AI, but who truly understands its power and knows how to wield it with precision. Think of it like this. A master craftsman doesn't need every tool in the workshop. They just need the right tools for the job. And they know those tools like the back of their hand. So if you're passionate about video editing, dive deep into an AI tool that streamlines your workflow, that helps you create stunning visuals with ease. The key here is to become so good, so efficient, so incredibly effective with your chosen AI tool that you become the go-to expert in your field. Remember, focus is key. Choose your weapon, master your craft, and watch as you become an unstoppable force in the age of AI. We live in a world saturated with content. Every day, we're bombarded with information, entertainment, and distractions vying for our attention. And while it's easy to get swept away in the never-ending stream, to become passive consumers of other people's creations, I'm here to challenge you to step up and become a creator yourself. The truth is, the most valuable skill you can cultivate in this digital age is the ability to create. To take an idea, a spark of inspiration, and turn it into something tangible, something that connects with others, something that makes a difference. So, what are you passionate about? What lights you up inside? What message do you want to share with the world? Find your voice, find your medium, and start creating. Whether it's short, impactful videos, thought-provoking blog posts, engaging podcasts that spark conversations, or even just sharing your unique perspective on social media. Put yourself out there. And here's where AI becomes your secret weapon. Use it to amplify your creative powers. Leverage AI editing tools to polish your videos to perfection. Let AI writing assistants help you craft compelling scripts and captivating stories. The world needs your voice, it needs your ideas, it needs your creativity. So step up, embrace the challenge, and become a creator, not just a consumer. Chapter 4, develop skills that AI can't replace. Now, you might be thinking, Tony, if AI can write, edit, and even create art, what's left for us humans? And that's a great question. The truth is, while AI is incredibly powerful, it can never replicate the essence of what makes us human: our empathy, our creativity, our ability to connect with each other on a deeply personal level. That's why it's more important than ever to cultivate the skills that AI can't replace, the skills that make us uniquely human. Skills like communication, emotional intelligence, critical thinking, problem solving, and adaptability. So, how do we develop these essential human skills? It starts with a commitment to constant learning and growth. Read books, listen to podcasts, take courses, and attend workshops that challenge your thinking and expand your horizons. But more importantly, get out there and practice. Engage in meaningful conversations. Seek out opportunities to collaborate with others. Remember, AI can analyze data, but it can't replicate the warmth of a genuine human connection. It can't understand the nuances of human emotion or the power of a shared laugh. Embrace your humanity. Cultivate your empathy. Develop your emotional intelligence. These are the skills that will not only future-proof your career, but will also enrich your life in countless ways. Chapter 5. Learn to adapt fast. In a world that's changing at lightning speed, adaptability is no longer a nice-to-have skill, it's a necessity. And nowhere is this truer than in the realm of AI, where new tools, technologies, and possibilities are emerging every single day. To thrive in this dynamic environment, you need to become a master of adaptation. You need to embrace change, to be open to new ideas, and to be willing to constantly learn and evolve. So, how do we cultivate this essential skill of adaptability? It starts with a shift in mindset. Embrace the unknown. Be curious about new technologies. Don't be afraid to experiment and make mistakes. Make it a habit to stay informed about the latest advancements in AI. Subscribe to industry newsletters, follow AI influencers, and join online communities where you can connect with others who are passionate about this technology. And most importantly, don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Test out new AI tools. Experiment with different applications. The more you use AI, the more adaptable you'll become. In the age of AI, the most valuable asset you can possess is a flexible mind, a willingness to learn, and an unquenchable thirst for knowledge. Embrace these qualities, and you'll be well equipped to navigate the ever-changing landscape of the future. Chapter 6. Use AI to build wealth, not just save time. Now we've talked about using AI to enhance your skills, boost your productivity, and future-proof your career. But what about using AI to build wealth, to create financial abundance and design a life of freedom and impact? Here's the thing. AI isn't just about automating tasks and saving time. It's about unlocking opportunities that were previously unimaginable. It's about leveraging technology to create new income streams, scale your existing businesses, and achieve financial goals faster than you ever thought possible. So, how do we tap into this incredible potential? It starts with a shift in perspective. Instead of just thinking about how AI can save you time, start thinking about how it can make you money. How can you use AI to create products, services, or experiences that people are willing to pay for? Maybe you can use AI to launch an online business, leveraging AI-powered marketing tools to reach a global audience. The possibilities are truly limitless. The key is to start exploring, to get creative, and to think outside the box. Don't be afraid to experiment, to try new things, and to fail forward. In the age of AI, financial abundance is no longer a distant dream. It's a very real possibility for those who are willing to embrace the power of this technology. Chapter 7. Position yourself as an AI expert. Now, You might be thinking, Shawn, I'm not a tech genius. I can't possibly become an AI expert. And you know what? You're right. You don't need to be a tech genius to leverage the power of AI. You just need to be one step ahead of the curve. Think about it. Most people are still intimidated by AI. They're either afraid of it or they don't understand it. This presents a massive opportunity for you to position yourself as an AI expert in your field, even if you're just starting out. So, how do you do this? It's simple. Start sharing what you're learning. Create content about AI. Teach others what you're discovering. Become a resource for your network, your industry, your community. Start small. Share articles about AI on social media. Write blog posts about your experiences with different AI tools. Create videos that demystify AI concepts for beginners. The more you share, the more you'll learn, and the more you'll solidify your position as an AI thought leader. And here's the thing, you don't need to be an expert to teach. You just need to be one step ahead of your audience. By positioning yourself as an AI expert, you'll not only attract new opportunities, but you'll also become a valuable resource for your network. You'll be seen as a thought leader, an innovator, someone who's not afraid to embrace the future. Chapter 8. Don't wait, start now. We've covered a lot of ground today, from shifting from fear to curiosity to positioning yourself as an AI expert. But none of it matters if you don't take action. The power of AI, the potential it holds for your life, your career, your future, it's all within your reach. But you have to seize it. Don't wait for the perfect time to start, because there's no such thing. The perfect time is now. The perfect moment to embrace the power of AI is this very second. So, what are you waiting for? Pick one thing from this video that resonated with you, one action step that you can take today to move you closer to your goals, and commit to doing it. Download an AI tool that piques your interest. Start a project that's been brewing in the back of your mind. Learn a new skill that will make you more valuable in the age of AI. Remember, the biggest difference between those who succeed and those who don't is action. Successful people take action. They don't wait for permission. They don't let fear hold them back. And they certainly don't let opportunities pass them by. The future belongs to those who take action, who embrace change, and who are bold enough to shape their own destiny. Now get out there and make it happen. I believe in you. Unlock your potential with AI. If you want to dive even deeper into AI and unlock its full potential for your life and business, I've got something special for you. My new ebook breaks down everything you need to know to harness the power of AI, from building a powerful personal brand to creating multiple streams of income. Download your free copy right now at theultimateguidetoAIanddigitalmarketing.com and start your journey towards AI mastery today. The future is here. You have two choices: watch it happen or make it happen. AI is a tool. You either use it or it uses you. Now go out there and create the future you deserve.